I have a question about your sleep. When you're working, do you feel tired?
Not too much like normal people.
What's your secret? Like, is it the tea that you drink, or there's some secret that you have?
ሓደ መዓልቲ ብዝኾነ ስራሕ ወይ ድማ ብሰኣን ጥዕና ድቃስ እንተሓልፈና ድሕሪ ይስምዕን ፅዕንዕንታን ድኻምን ትንዝክሮ ብጣዕሚ ከቢድ እዩ ድቃስ ንህይወትና ማዕረ ማዕረ ምግቢ ዘድልያ ወሳኒ ነገር እዩ ይኹን እምበር ንስሳን ሓደን ዓመታት ድቃስ ስልም ዘይበለ ሰብ ኣሎ ትንብለኩም እንታይ ይስምዐኩም?
Actually, he don't know yet.
He went before. And what did they say at the hospital?
They don't know.
Mr. Nup shot before lunch.
ወዲ 84 ዓመት ቪየትናማዊ ሰብኣይ ንዝሓለፉ 61 ዓመታት ኣይደቀሰን ሰላም ጥዕና ያብልና ክቡራት ተኸታተልትና እዚ ሰገን ኣገራሚ እዩ ሎሙን ከምቲ ልሙድ ንምእማን ዘጸግም ግን ድማ ፍልይ ዝበለ ክስተት ሒዝናልኩም መጺና ኣለና ኣብ ምድላውና ብዛዕባ እቲ ድቃስ ሕርሙ ሰብ ክነውግዐኩም ኢና ብተወሳኺ ድማ ብዛዕባ እቲ ሓፃዊን በላሕቲ ነገራትን ዝበልዕ ፍልይ ዝበለ ሰብ እውን እንብለኩም ክህልወና እዩ ሓቢርኩም ላጽንሑም ኣጋይሽ ተኸታተልትና ነታ ምልክት ምሕዝነትና ዝኾነ ሰብስክራይብ ክትገብሩ ንዕድም ሰናይ ምክትታል ታይንጎክ ዝበሃል ኣብ ቪየትናም ብማሕረስ ዝናበር ሰብ እዩ ስርሑ ብጣዕሚ መድከሚ ኣብ ገጠር ከባቢ ዝነብር ሓረስታይ ይኹን እምበር ድቃስ ዝበሃል ዘይፈልጥ በይኑ ደው ኢሉ ዝሓድር ፍልይ ዝበለ ሰብ እዩ ካብ 1962 ዓመተ ምህረታት ሒዙ ከም ዘይደቀሰ እዩ ዝዝረብ ሳይንስ ከም ዝመኽረና ሓደ ሰብ ጥዕንኡ ሕልው ክኾን ኣብ መዓልቲ ብውሕዱ ን8 ሰዓታት ክድቅስ ይግባእ ነብስና እውን ከምኡ እዩ ዝነገረና ንጎክ ግን ብምኽንያት ቅድሚ 61 ዓመታት ብዝተሰምዖ ከቢድ ሕማም ረስኒ ድቃስ ዝበሃል ክመፅኦ ከም ዘይከኣለ እዩ ዝዛረብ እዚ ሓቂ ድዩ?
It's strong. Apparently it's 40%?
Yep.
That's the same strength as vodka. It's strong. More than an hour went by and I was starting to get comfortable with Mr. Nup and his wife. I will say though, it was a bit strange that he only took 3 bites of food. The drinking, however, never stopped. I think Andre has to take it. I don't think you have a choice. Alright, here's where things start to get interesting. Mr. Nup keeps inviting me to visit his house, which I realize he's talking about another house, the one that he
ብዙሓት ሰብ ሞያ ዶክሜንተርን ጋዜጠኛታትን ከም ዘረጋገጽዎ እዚ ሰብ ክሳብ ሎሚ ክድቅስ ኣይከኣለን መዓልቱ ኣብ ስራሕቲ ሕርሻ ይውዕል ለይቲ ድማ ኣብ ካልእ ስራሕ ይጽመድ ንኣብነት ንሓሰማታቱ ይከናኸን ምግቢ የዳሉ ካልኦት ስራሕቲ ይሰርሕ ስድሮ ከይርበሹ ድማ ኣብ ጽምዋ ቦታ ኸይዱ ኮፍ ይብል ብበዝሒ ናይ ሩዝ ወይንን ሻሂን ከም ሰቲ እዩ ዝዛረብ እቲ ብጣዕሚ ዘገርም ድማ ኣብ መዓልቲ ብዙሕ ዝበለ ሽጋራት የትክኽ እዩ እዚ ብ1942 ዓመተ ምህረት ዝተወለደ ሰብ ሕጂ ዕድሚኡ 84 ሓሊፍዎ ኣሎ ንዝሓለፉ 61 ዓመታት ግን ድቃስ ክረክብ ዘይከኣለ ናይ ዓለም ፍሉይ ሰብ እዩ
The water inside enough, the rice inside enough, some frozen quite.
Oh, he puts the bottle there?
The bottle in here, and then the rice.
በዚ ኩነታት ሕጉስ ኣይኮንኩን ክድቅስ ይደሊ እየ ድቃስ ንኽመፀኒ ብዙሕ እየ ዝፅዕር ግን ወይ ከይብል ሳይንስ ብዛዕባ እዚ ኩነታት እንታይ ይብል ክንብል ዝረኸብናዮ ድማ እንሆ ሳይንስ ሓደ ሰብ ከይደቀሰ ንመዓልትታት ክጸንሕ ኣይኽእልን ኢሉ ይድምድም ድቃስ ተፈጥራዊ ከይዲ እዩ ነገር ግን ገለ ሰባት ከይተረድኦም ሓፂር ድቃስ ወይ ድማ ማይክሮስሊፕ ዝበሃል ኣለዎም ይብል በዚ ድማ ከይተረድኦ ንጎክ ማይክሮስሊፕ ይሕልፍ ከይህሉ ናይ ሳይንስ ድምዳመ እዩ ህዝቢ ዓለም ሙሉእ እናደቀሰ በይኑ ከይደቀሰ ን61 ዓመታት ምጽንሑ ንስኹም ክቡራት ተኸታተልትና እንታይ ትሓስቡ ርግማንዶ ዋላስ ፍሉይ ዕድል መልስኹም ኣብ ቦታ ኮመንት ጻሕፉልና
So it's true. It's true.
Yes.
He doesn't sleep. When is the last time you saw him in a deep sleep?
6 tiếng thôi chứ.
Never?
Ngủ.
Really?
Not yet.
Ông đi miếng này ông ngủ.
Do you sleep? I'm having a shot of rice wine every 30 minutes, every 20 minutes. Here comes another one. Yo. Yo.
Let's see.
Ông ơi cái ít cô.
It's strong. Apparently
ሚሸል ቶቶ ዝበሃል ፈረንሳዊ ድማ ቀለቡ ሓፃዊን እዩ። እዚ ሰብ ኣብ ህይወት ዘመኑ ዘይበልዖ ሓፂን ዳርጋ የለን። መስትያት፣ በሊሕ ነገር፣ ካልኦት ፍሉይ ዝበሉ ሓፃዊን ቁርጢ መቢሉ ይበልዕ። እቲ ብጣዕሚ ዝገርም ድማ ሴስና 150 ዝበሃል ኣውሮፕላን ኣብ ውሽጢ 2 ዓመታት በሊዑ ወዲኡ እዮም። እዚ ሰብ ኩሉ ዝበልዕ ዝብል ተወሳኺ ስም ብምሓዝ ዝና ዘትረፈ ፍሉይ ፍጡር እዩ። 18 ዝተፈላለያ ሳይክላት፣ 15 ዝተገዝኣ ጋሪታት፣ 7 ቴሌቪዥን፣ 2 ሓፂን ዓራትን ሓዊሱ ካልኦት ብዙሓት ሓፃዊን በልዑ እዩ ተባሂሉ። ብሓፈሻ ድማ ካብ 1959 ክሳብ 1997 ዓመተ ምህረት ልዕሊ 9 ቶን ሓፃዊን ክበልዕ ከም ዝኽእል ይግመት። ንሱ ከም ዝብሎ ልዕሊ ሓፂን እንቁላሊሕን ባናናን ምብላዕ ከም ዘጸግሙ እዩ ይዛረብ። ኣብዚ ጉዳይ ሓካይም ብዝገበርዎ ምርመራ ማዕናጡን ሽፋን ከብዱን ልዕሊ መጠን ረጒድ ምንባሩ ምሕቃቕ ምግቢ ዘቀላጥፍ ፈሳሲ ከም ዝነበሮን ይዛረቡ። ብተወሳኺ ድማ ፒካ ዝተባሃለ ናይ ድሌት ምግቢ ፀገም ከም ዝነበሮ ንምርጋፅ ተኻኢሉ እዩ። እዚ ሽግር ዘለዎም ሰባት ካብ ዝብላዕ ምግቢ ወፃኢ ካልእ ነገር ክበልዑ የገድዶም እዮም። ዝኸበርኩም ተኸታተልትና ናይ ሎሚ ምድላውና ነዚ ይመስል ነይሩ። ቀጻሊ ከምዚ ዝበለ ጽቡቕ ምድላው ክበጽሕኩም ንቻነልና ሰብስክራይብ ምግባርኩም ክተረጋግጹ ክነዛሃር ንፈቱ። ሰላም።
We're gonna go there right now. This is so surreal, just walking through this swamp. It's all wet because of the storm. So you have many jobs. You're rice wine and you're a farmer. Like you're working 24/7. He's a superhuman.
Yes.
He's like, yeah, I know.
Yeah.
So I have a question about your sleep. When you're working, do you feel tired?
Not too much like normal people.
What's your secret? Like, is it the tea that you drink, or there's some secret that you have?
Yeah. He normally drink the tea, green tea and rice wine.
How much wine do you drink in one day?
Yeah.
He's like, yes.
Small bottle.
One bottle. If you could sleep, do you want to sleep, or you prefer to stay up all night?
Yeah. He wish can sleep.
Can I ask him about his hand? What happened here?
American War.
He's pointing at me.
American War.
He's like, this guy. I'm sorry.
Just a long time ago.
It's okay? I mean,
Yeah, I think okay. Just working in the
with the left hand.
left hand.
Even though Mr. Nop dismissed my concern about his hand, I still have a feeling that there's a reason he won't open up about the Vietnam War, or as they call it out here, the American War. To summarize, this era of heartbreak is near impossible, but what you should know is that the war was fought between the communist government of North Vietnam and the anti-communist South. The allies of the North were primarily the Soviet Union and China, whereas South Vietnam was supported by the United States. I'm sure that you've seen the footage and listened to the music from the 1960s. A large portion of Americans to live through the war in his adulthood, but also to fight in it. It really makes me wonder, could PTSD have something to do with his condition? If I was awake 24/7, I would need a place to hide out like this. It's just absolutely surreal to be here. And this is the house right here. During the war, he kind of hid out in this place, and he's basically been awake since he moved into this house. And look how old it is. So I don't have a place to sleep tonight. I haven't booked any places, and I assume that there were hotels around here or something. He offered that we could crash here, like in this house. So I'm gonna take him up on it. It's gonna be pretty interesting. Tell me about this house. Like, when did you build this house with your hands, or when did you move here?
The first time he come here around 1945.
45? You have two houses, so why do you come to this one?
At the moment, he thought that his son still live here with no wife. His son with no wife.
No.
Work in house. Just met some wine. Rice wine tonight. The Vietnamese wine.
Yeah. I'd love to.
Right.
If you could say any message to people in the world, what would you tell them?
Cái bệnh nhiều lắm, bệnh